octobre dernier. La première chose qu'il va demander, c'est d'avoir son combat, d'avoir la chance de se rebattre le plus vite possible avec Librado Andrade. Et un an plus tard, on a la chance, puis je pense que les spectateurs le méritent, mais je pense que la personne qui attend le plus ce combat-là, c'est Lucian Boutet, samedi soir prochain. On a la chance d'avoir la meilleure équipe autour de lui, le meilleur entraîneur.
We're really excited to be a part of the show. We know that Boutet Andrade 2 is a big fight in of itself, but then when you're able to add a second world title fight, I think that makes it really special. To have one world title fight on a show is an event. To have two makes it a mega event. And I think this is probably one of the, based on what I heard about how quickly this sold out and the anticipation of the event, it's probably one of the most highly anticipated events in the city's history, professional sports-wise. I wanted to introduce a good friend of mine that you all know. He's the trainer of Librado Andrade, Mr. Howard Grant.
Thank you, David. The promoters that's involved with the event, the fighters themselves. Thank you very much. The city, Quebec City, fantastic. We've trained diligently for this fight, very hard. We had a 2-month training camp. And I think the public, the press, fighters, we've been waiting for this, it's a year, maybe 3 weeks, year and maybe a month. We've been waiting for this fight. This other opportunity to step back in the ring. So I'm not going to be here and blah, blah, blah about Lucian. Everybody knows he's a fantastic fighter. This is what makes this fight so beautiful, because you got a ballerina in there against a guy that's going to be coming at you all the time. And if it was 2 guys in there, that was 2 boxers, it would not be the same dynamics. So I can't tell you to come out and support these guys. The place is sold out. You just come out and, you know, all those who don't have tickets better buy the pay-per-view, because you're going to miss a dandy. So I'd like to wish everybody good luck, and that's about it.
Librado said the last time that he thought he won the fight. I heard at a press conference that he felt that he shouldn't hit him more because he was already collapsing, but you tried to hit him, Librado, and you missed 3 times in the air. So, and I heard that Howard Grant said that Lucian is a Mercedes with an accident or something like this. I'd rather be with a Mercedes that has been rebuilt than going into a race with a kind of a Monte Carlo never won a race. So I think we are ready for this fight. Saturday is going to be a lot of fun. Lucian is going to be sharp as he's ever been. He's ready, he's anxious, and he's most of all happy to get this fight back here in Quebec and ready to take care of business. Alors, pour la plupart, we're going to have a lot of fun. A lot of fun Saturday night. Merci beaucoup.
Just want to say one thing. If 2 vehicles are going to collide, you're in a Mercedes and a Mack truck, I'd rather be in the Mack truck. And I've got the Mack truck sitting over here to my right. That's all I'm going to say. And the truck is going to run from the first round. It's not going to start on the 12th.
Hey, you need a quality driver.
We got one of the best drivers in the world right here. I'm not worried. He's the #1 rated super middleweight in the world. He's attempting to become the first Mexican to win the super middleweight title. He's just, as everyone has said and knows, he's a come-ahead, right there fighter. He's all action. He's not going to run away from you. He's not going to dance. He's going to brawl with you. He's fun to watch. He's got a record of 28-2 with 21 KOs. Librado Andrade. Librado.
Hello everyone. I'm picking out some words now that I've been here for so long, so hopefully by the end of my career and I keep staying here, I know half of French. to express my thank you to you guys, and not only say merci beaucoup, but to say many, many more things that you guys deserve as people from Montreal, from Quebec. This country in Canada, this part has given me so much, and part of it is fighting here. Part of it is having fights with Lucien. We've made a tremendous couple on the ring, so it doesn't matter what everybody says, what we have against each other, whatever it is in the ring. We make a couple, and we mark history together. So for me, that's more important, because that's how I look back in my life and say that was what happened. And well, I want to thank Time for that, spending time here, having this experience, and it's always great to see all of you guys. You guys like the fights, you guys like how I fight, and everybody loves Lucien here, so I know they come and support him, but at the same time, I feel that he needs me to put up that show. He needs me to be that great person that he wants to be, or that great champion. And I'm just going after my dream. My dream is one day to become a world champion. I don't see a face in front of me, but I do see reaching my dream. I don't see whoever I need to fight or this style. I just go get it, and that's the only thing. The only thing that I have to do is throw punches, go fight to accomplish this dream, and that's what I go do. I don't see no hate. I see no nothing against nobody. I wish them all the best. I want them to be successful, but I want to be successful at the same time. Like I said before, it's just a shame that we have to beat the crap out of each other. So that's a very hard way to do it, to accomplish our dreams. But you know what? This is what we do. I love doing it. So I can't thank enough everybody. Thank you.
Merci beaucoup, Librado. Thanks, Librado. Maintenant, laissez-moi vous introduire la vedette de la soirée le 28 novembre. Il est le champion du monde de la IBF chez les super moyens, invaincu en 24 combats. Mesdames, Messieurs, Lucian Boutte.
Bonjour tout le monde. Merci beaucoup d'être ici, les médias. Merci Golden Boy, merci Monsieur Iskovic. Et tout le monde a parlé, tout le monde parle. Comme tout le monde attend ce combat-là, moi aussi, j'attends samedi soir. Je suis content d'être ici, que le combat ça va être ici au Québec. La première ceinture, c'était une petite ceinture nord-américaine que je l'ai gagnée ici au Québec. C'était un 9e combat. Et cette fois-ci, ça va être une grosse ceinture qui va rester au Québec. J'ai eu un bon camp d'entraînement, je me suis bien préparé. Samedi soir, je vais faire tout le mieux que je suis capable à faire pour gagner. Je vais vous donner tout sur le ring pour gagner le combat, pour être champion. C'est sûr que ce qui s'est passé le dernier combat, le dernier round, je n'ai pas aimé, mais ça fait partie de la boxe. J'ai passé le moment. Je suis content que je suis resté champion, puis samedi soir, je vais enlever la doute de tous mes partisans, tous mes fans de boxe, mais pour moi aussi. Puis c'est sûr, je suis prêt. I'm ready for the fight. I feel great. Je vous attends samedi soir pour voir un bon spectacle au Colisée. Le Colisée va exploser samedi soir. Merci.